J-E-Y-L-O-U-S-E.
Today's an extra special day at the clubhouse. It's Minnie's birthday. We're going to have a big surprise party for her.
And you're all invited.
There's a lot to do, so everybody will have to chip in. Let's see now. First, we need to put up a happy birthday sign.
I'll do that, Mickey.
Okay, Daisy. And we'll need somebody to bake a birthday cake.
Gorge, that sounds like fun. I'll do it, Mickey.
You betcha, Goofy. And it sure would be swell to come up with a special song, you know, for a birthday present.
Oh, Mickey, I can do that.
Perfect. And that leaves me to get everyone to yell, "Surprise!" to Minnie. Now, does anybody have any questions before we all get ready? One at a time, everybody.
I don't know what my song should be about.
Gorge, I'm not